Welcome back to my channel here at Tracy G. My name is Sammy. Today we're going to chart WULF. Let's get straight into the TA. Folks, WULF is going to 31 bucks. 31 bucks, not financial advice. We have indicator targets literally sleeping at $31. This also aligns with your peak high. When you have confluence such as these, this just gives you a nice probability of more than likely price hitting these highs. But man, we're just getting news after news after news on WULF. And if you notice something here on WULF is that you're literally been writing this EMA. You've been writing EMAs since April lows. April lows, you've been writing up, only up on this ticker. Look at the 5, the 10, the 20 EMA, orange, white, red. Now, once you peaked here at August 11th, bro, this thing has honestly guys, has been sleeping with the 5 EMA. Look, 5 EMA orange line, 5 EMA candle, red, 5 EMA candle. September 5th, 5 EMA, 5 EMA, 5 EMA. And now we have fib extension levels that are breaking like this. These candle structures are absolutely breaking levels day by day. I mean, we just broke the 236, literally August 6th on October. Then we have this candle October 9th. Excuse me, October 6th, October 9th. And now we broke again at 382, October 14th. Folks, this thing is parabolic, especially when you're printing multiple bearish divergence. It doesn't give a hoot. It doesn't care. It really does not give a flying. So, this is very simple. You guys want to know how to trade this? Okay, I'm going to show you guys. When is the best time to buy? All right, well, I'm literally taking a look at this as we speak, okay? If you take a look at my channel, I day trade, intraday, I swing trade. I do everything trade. Puts, calls, whatever you have you. Guys, look at the 1 hour time frame, okay? What do you see here that price is always doing? First, we look at the EMAs, okay? If you notice here, just going back in history, the history gives you the future, as I always preach out. So look, if you notice this EMA, my blue and green is my 50 EMA and 50 SMA, okay? Notice every time we peak here, we have a sell-off during the day. During midday, sell-off, and then pre-market we move up. Again, sell-off midday, double bottom here, and you hit this 50 EMA, and thus you keep peaking through the midday, and then you sell off midday, and then again you hit this bottom blue EMA and 50, the blue SMA, green 50 EMA. So it likes to sell off during the middle of the day, and then tank down, and then hit this blue line or green line. Okay, but watch what happens after what seems to be October 8th. It just continue writing that 5 EMA, which is this white line right here. That orange line, and also the 10 EMA. So at the end of the day, it's still going to respect this green 50 EMA and blue 50 SMA. If you want to catch the absolute bottom on this ticker, very simple. Wait for price to break down during the day. Obviously, this is hype move, especially after news. Wait for price to back down here a little bit, right where the 50 EMA and SMA is, 1427. If we break below, especially SPY not acting nice, if we break below, watch this 50 EMA and SMA. Guys, this has been a very, consistent pattern ever since JP Morgan has announced a $1.5 trillion investment into the United States infrastructure business, AI, quantum, data centers. We're talking, and which one was the other one? I think battery, whatever have you. The point is that I am seeing consistency in the bounces on candles price action, always respecting these 50 EMA and SMAs as the absolute bottom when you're riding on the trend, right? Trend your friend until the end of the trend. If you also notice the RSI, let's get a little bit more technicals for my TA traders out there. Look what's happening here on the RSI. Well, this also gives you a nice indicator where bottom is as well for WULF. So look, we have every time we hit this box, bounce, rejection here, bounce, rejection here, new higher low, bounce, rejection here. We have bearish divergence, bounce, rejection, again, rejection, bounce, rejection. Do you see a consistency here? So going into tomorrow, next week, or whatever have you, until this trend is broken, this is going to be your lifeline, this absolute bottom on the RSI. So it's respecting the blue EMA and 50 SMA. So I suspect this this box is also correlated with price action with the 50 EMA and SMAs, and thus we are seeing a nice little consistency on the chart. So Guys, Wolf absolutely going parabolic, especially news, what's happening, news after news after news. There's not much more to say. It's going to 31. Very simple. It's doing what APLD did back in the day. And congratulations for those that took the trade on WULF. This thing is absolutely a winner. You guys have a beautiful day. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and join the Discord, folks. I'm going to be posting, like I said in my last video, I'm going to be posting more energy stocks, more oil stocks. I mean, not oil stocks. Energy, data, mining. That's the trend right now. Data centers, that's a trend. We're following up on it. Every single thing that relates to, the energy infrastructure space, we're going to cover this hands down. If you take a look at my right-hand side, this is literally all of them. I'm literally all of them. If I'm missing one or two, but screw it. This is the majority of the entire space itself. Take a picture of this snapshot. I don't give a shit. Let's continue to monitor this movement. This is opportunity on the table, and don't miss out on it, because in this channel, I will be covering every corner of it. Thank you so much.